Hello and welcome. In this video, we will download and use Visual Studio Code. So before downloading Visual Studio Code, what is Visual Studio Code? It is a text editor similar to Notepad, but with a lot of more features. So to download Visual Studio Code, just go to your favorite browser and search here Visual Studio Code and click to this link. I've already added this link in video's description. So just click on download for Windows and your download will start and you will get this page. So these are some top extensions used in Visual Studio Code. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. You will get this window after successfully downloading Visual Studio Code. So to start writing code, just open a file where you want to, or open a open folder to create new file. So I'll make a new folder and I'll write here VS Code and select to open. So this window will come after we select open folder option. So this icon will provide us file explorer option, and here currently we don't have any file, so to create new file we will click on this icon, and to create new folder we will click on this icon. So to create new file, just click on this icon and just write hello.cpp. so in this way we can create a C++ file, and similarly I'll write here hello.html, and so in this way we can create HTML file, and this is also giving us icon of HTML, and we can simply just press exclamation mark and tab, and this will provide boilerplate code. So we are getting this boilerplate code with the help of IntelliSense support that VS Code provides us. It also provides us integrated terminal. We can open integrated terminal by clicking on view and then terminal. So this will open terminal for us. So we don't have to go to command prompt and open a terminal. We can directly open it from here, and we can create many more terminals by clicking on this icon. So I created 3 terminals. I can also split window of terminal, and I can write here md to make directory, and I'll name it new and folder. So let's see. So it has created 2 new folders, new and folders. So this is how we can use integrated terminal, and it also provides us extension. So I'll download one popular extension C/C+, and click on it. So it is from Microsoft, and it will provide us C++, C and C++ IntelliSense debugging and code browsing. So just click on install, and we have successfully installed C and C++ extension. So just go to this and we will write hash, and it is providing us IntelliSense support. So just click on this IntelliSense, or we can also say autocomplete, and I'll write here, and similarly I'll write here void main. So void is of different color, main is of different color, hash include is of different color. So this is how we can use extensions. We can also split this window from here by clicking on this. So I can write same code on 2 windows, or I'll open this file in this window. So I can open it like this, and I can write code on 2 separate windows. So this will work. So this is how we can use Visual Studio Code